This is a wall sit workout. Just gonna start with some marches for our warm-up. What you're going to need for this workout is a glute band, also called a booty band, 2 weights. If you don't have weights, that's okay. And also if you have a yoga block or a foam roller. If not, I'll show you how to do the inner thigh wall sit without either of those. So we're gonna do each wall sit, and there's 7 variations for 30 seconds. Are you ready? Okay, so we're going to time this. I'm gonna give you 10 seconds to get ready and get on your wall. You're trying to go to 90 degrees, and I forgot to hit start, so there you go. All right, so we're gonna start in 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, so you don't want your hands here. You want them, you can have them at your sides. I like palms facing the wall, head back, pelvic tilt, and shoulders back and down. Halfway down already. Almost done with the first one. So I'm trying to get my legs at 90 degrees so I'm low enough. So this really works the quadriceps, the muscles on the front of the legs, and done. Great. All right, now get on your booty band. So you might want to start with a lighter one. I've actually got a pretty gnarly one. This one's kind of tight. It's a fabric one. These are tighter. All right, so pop back up, and I'm gonna time it, and get ready. We're just gonna hold, and 5, 4, 3, 2, right above the knees. All right, same thing. So what I'm doing is I'm pushing externally out with my legs, and this is really targeting the medial glutes, the side butt. All right, yep, it's getting more challenging. Each wall sit variation is going to be harder than the others, so it starts easy and then we ramp it up. And we've got 5 more seconds. Push through it. You've got this. Breathe. Smile. Yay. Okay, so we're going to march. Remove the booty band, and let's just march for 30 seconds. So we've got the cardio aspect of this, but we're giving our legs and our butt a little bit of a break here. It's going to be a challenging workout, but it burns lots of calories and builds those glutes and those quads, makes them strong and toned, which we want. All right, halfway done. By the way, my name is Nina. I'm a certified personal trainer and strength and conditioning coach. Couple more marches. All right, so let's get the booty band back on. Right above the knees. You don't want to put on the joint. Okay, get the timer ready. Got 10 seconds to get up here. And this time we're going to do pulses. All right, so I'm going to start and begin. All right, so I'm at 90. And you can either have your hands on your hips or you can have them pressed into the wall. Put your shoulders back and down. And my toes are facing forwards the whole time. So little pulses. Don't let them go too far in because that's cheating. Almost done. 3, 2, yay. Okay. Booty band off. Kick that to the side. And we're gonna do our marches. Go back to cardio. All right. I like wide marches. You can do narrow, or you can do wide and narrow. Yeah, let's do that. I like that. Narrow and wide. So the heart rate is elevated for most of this workout. And we're building strength as well as working that heart. halfway done. So if these wall sits become too challenging, just don't go at 90. Just inch your back up the wall a little bit higher. Try to push yourself. Really, the only time you'll feel it is when you're actually in the sit, the wall sit portion of it. All right, so now let's grab our yoga block. Now I'm using a really soft, cushy yoga block, so it doesn't hurt if I press into it. You can use a medicine ball, you can use a foam roller, or you can use your hands. So let me show you. So you're gonna go into the wall set. You keep marching, and you can just put your hands here straight, and then you'll push your legs into your hands, and you're gonna press your arms outward, okay? So you're working a lot more muscles that way, but I'm gonna use the yoga block. All right, 10 seconds to get ready. And, all right, center this, and now start. Now what I'm doing is I'm pressing my legs into the yoga block, so you may need to reposition this. So this is an inner thigh burner. Oh, I think this one is much more challenging than the other. More than halfway done. You can readjust your feet if you need to. And 5 more seconds. Yes, breathe. Don't hold your breath. Okay. From here, I want you to get one weight. Whatever weight you want, whether it be 3 pounds or whatever. This is 15. Probably gonna regret choosing the 15-pound weight. All right, just gonna put one and put it on our laps. All right. All right, and begin. Oh, this isn't too bad. So I'm just holding it here. Maybe I'm gonna go a little lower for more of a challenge. And pushing my triceps, the back of the arms into the wall. Head back, looking straight forward, not down, neutral chin. And I can feel my quads working. A couple more seconds. Short workout, but very, very effective. 3, 2, excellent. All right, weight down. And some marches. All right, getting that heart rate elevated again. I'm just gonna do wide marches right now. If your knees prefer narrow, go for it. I like incorporating straight with cardio. Get both. All right, halfway done. Challenge yourself. Finish it. Almost done. All right, grab both weights. All right, remember when you bend down, don't round, use strength to pick up the weights. I've got 2 15-pound weights here, and I'm gonna put them on either side of my legs. So, all right, scoot down and begin. All right, so I'm gonna externally rotate the weights, pelvic tilt, tuck my butt under, and I'm working my forearms and my glutes and my quads. Halfway done, head back, maybe chin down a little bit. If your legs are shaking, great. We've only got a few more seconds. 3, 2, excellent. All right, last exercise, no weights. Put the weights aside. We are gonna do a single leg wall sit. All right, these require a lot of balance, so if you have something nearby, maybe a chair you want to hold, but I'll show you the technique. All right, so we're gonna go back to our wall. You may want to go a little higher than 90 here, but I'm gonna really challenge myself. All right, together, feet and knees together, and extend. Now, if you can only extend this for a few seconds and put it back down, that's okay. I'm going to extend and hold, or the goal is to do this for 15 seconds. And I've got switch, other side, reposition, balance. See if you can flex that foot. Breathe. My heart rate's elevated. 4, 3. Yay. Okay, done. You did it. All right, quick stretch. And you'll have completed this awesome workout. All right, let's do a glute stretch. Actually, let's do the quad stretch first. We'll start with the standing stretches. So quads, right? You can hold on to a wall if you want. And I want this knee standing like a little bit bent to protect the spine, heel to butt. And then I don't want my knee out here, here, here. It should be in line with this leg, okay? And then tuck in the belly, pelvic tilt, and the shoulder tends to roll forward, so I'm gonna push it back. Yep. And switch, other side. And at the end of the workout, balance is a little challenging because you're tired, so it's okay to hold on to something. So they're straight, and trying to get the heel to the butt. Again, push that shoulder back. And this is, usually we're working your quads again. All right, a couple more seconds. Down with control. Use those hamstrings too. All right, we're gonna go to the floor for 2 more stretches. So we'll do a glute stretch, and then we'll do an inner thigh stretch. So the glute stretch is we will lay on our backs. And put one leg over the other. Flex this foot, and then bring this leg in. Now you can grab behind the hamstrings and pull it in this way, but if you're really flexible in those hips, interlace your fingers in front of your shins, or your shin, and then just hug that in and look straight up. Now if your knee is here, try to get it at 90 and look straight up at your ceiling. All right, heart rate should be coming down. Put that foot down and switch to the other side. And flex this foot. Both feet should be slightly flexed. And look straight up at the ceiling or the sky. Hug it in a little more. Foot down, and then I'm going to take my shoes off for the inner thigh stretch. It just feels a little bit better. And this way you can see how tight those hips are. All right, since we did that inner thigh workout with the yoga block, we are stretching that out. So this is cobbler's pose, also known as butterfly pose. So I'm sitting up nice and tall, which just means straight. I'm not slouching. My feet are together, and if your knees are up like this, then your hips need a little more flexibility, and you can either scoot the feet out or you can sit a little further back. But you really want to sit up nice and tall, and then if you have good flexibility, you can either pull them in, and then you can even move your torso forward, again, not rounding, and I'm taking my elbows and pushing them into my thighs. So I have pretty flexible hips. And then you can go in and out. See, I'm going in and out with that stretch, or you can just hold and sit up nice and tall. And congrats, you completed the workout. If you haven't already, follow me or subscribe to my channel. I guess that's the YouTube term. And if your goal is weight loss, check out my diet book. It's called the High Five Diet. You can find it on my website, thehighfivediet.com. And what it is a dairy-free diet that is low in fat and high in carbohydrates. So I hope to see you soon.